Hey, how you guys doing today? My name is Mr. Griffin. We're here at Griffin's Industrial Welding School. Today we're gonna go out in here into the shop and I'm gonna give you guys a quick lesson. All right, when you get ready to strike your electrode, okay, there's two ways you can strike it. You could either strike it like a match or you could tap it. Okay, those are the two most common striking methods. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna join this flat piece of metal to this flat piece of metal. This is called tacking it, okay? So all you do is make sure the metal is touching each other, okay? Now watch your eyes. Drop your hood down, strike it, and join it together. Uncover, lift your hood up. Okay, when you're done, you'll see we have the metal tacked. I can hit it, it's not going anywhere. Okay? I can hit it and it's not going anywhere. Once you tack it firm, you can hit it with all your might, it's gonna stay on there. Okay? All right, so that's just a preview of what you guys will get here at Griffin's Industrial Welding School. Remember, in as little as 12 weeks, you can start making money because hard work comes before success. So give us a call at 281-782-9713. Again, that's 281-782-9713. Contact Mr. Griffin for more information and we'll get you started.